Another big trend we are seeing, especially in Romania, is the consumption of videos. Our customers love it to watch videos online or to watch and stream their favorite TV shows from a mobile device. But not only private customers do this, also enterprise customers are experiencing more and more the benefits of using video. For example, they track their sites, they track their logistics, and then they enhance also their business processes with basically the video functionality. So today we are very happy and very honored to announce a new technology in video which we call Xstream. And Xstream is nothing less than our ambition to provide the best mobile video experience in the Romanian market. Xstream will give you an instantaneous feeling and appreciation of videos. So the videos will start instantaneously, and they're basically backed up with a super stable connectivity. And it doesn't matter if you browse the internet, if you download files. This will be a new definition of the continuity of entertainment, and we'll make this available on all devices, regardless if it's a 3G or 4G mobile device.
Xstream is based on a proprietary video optimization algorithm developed from our labs. It can work thanks to our all IP network. That means all the elements in our network have the internet protocol as the native protocol, so very short and fast interactions between the network elements, and as a result also the interworking between the smartphones of our customers and the network are very fast, with a low latency of 30 milliseconds. In terms of stability, we can provide to our customers an availability of 99.9%. That means also an excellent indicator for the service to the customers.